好，贾德纳主席。
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming to see us.
Wonderful. Thank you for doing this. Ladies, thank you.
Yeah, it's so nice to see you.
是 IT 负责人副处长，随和主任，各国国安主任瑞奇少校，王亨基机关 ，OK， 好，请坐。
美国参议院外交委员会亚太小组Gardner主席，还有各位贵宾，我们在场的李秘书长、吴部长，还有在座的各位同仁，大家好。
Subcommittee on East Asia, the Pacific, and International.
非常高兴今天在这个时候可以看到我们的Gardner主席这是我担任总统以来第3次在总统府跟Gardner主席见面但是这次的见面意义非常的不一样。
Year in a row that we have had the opportunity.
我想近来这段时间发生的一些事情，比如说中国的军机绕台，在外交上的打压，甚至于让我们的外交的友邦断交，那么甚至于干扰台湾加入 WHA， 甚至强迫有一些国际的公司改变他们对台湾的名称那这些粗暴的政治动作都显示中国正在改变两岸的和平稳定的现状。那么这一点，我想很多的美国政府的部门都有一样的看法。
Suppress Taiwan diplomatically, entice our allies to break TELUS assembly, and pressure multinational companies to refer to Taiwan.
这次贾德纳主席变更行程，今天晚上到达台湾来看我们展现出来的是对台湾的重视。也会让台湾的人民感受到您深刻的友谊，也展现台美之间坚固而且是逐渐在升温的友谊。
To visit us, this shows the importance that you attach to staunch and increasingly ardent friendship of the United States.
美国国会我们最坚强的友人，那么长期以来都持续在加强台美的关系，以及提升台湾的国际参与的议题上为台湾发声，尤其是您近来提到的亚洲再保证倡议的这个法案，强调印度太平洋地区的国家跟美国政策的连结。那来台之前，您也跟马基参议员共同提出2018年台湾国际参与的法案，那么促请美国政府积极的协助台湾参与国际组织。那么为此呢，我要特别代表台湾的政府跟人民向您表达我们的感谢。我也要借这个机会重申台湾的国际的参与不仅是我们要争取的应有的权利也更愿意善尽世界公民的义务。台湾争取参加 WHO 就是最好的例子。
International participation, not simply to obtain the.
台湾是世界的医疗大国，更是在国际的医疗体系里面的模范生。我们绝对有能力，也有意愿对国际社会做出更多的贡献一起为全世界的公共医疗体系做出奉献我们的力量。那我们也相信世界卫生组织的重点不是政治，而是我们全人类的健康。
With the international community to contribute to the enhancement of public health, but about the health of humankind.
身为世界公民的使命感，那么中国的打压只会让国际社会更支持台湾，而台湾走向世界的决心也不会因此而动摇。我们再次欢迎主席特别来台湾人民充分感受到您的友谊，那么也祝福您的亚洲之行圆满顺利。也期待您再次的来访，谢谢。
That you have for us, and may your Asia tour prove successful, and I hope to see you in Taiwan again soon.
Thank you, President Tsai. Thank you for your hospitality here. Thank you for the honored guests assembled this evening. It truly is an honor to be back in Taiwan. My first visit to Taiwan was 14 years ago now. I was taller and had darker hair back then, so it's great to be with you today.
非常感谢蔡总统今天拨冗和我见面，还有在场的所有官员。那么我很高兴能够再次回到台湾。我第一次来访台湾是14年前了，那时候我身高比较高，头发也比较黑。
I think Taiwan shows the world an excellent example of leadership, and China could learn from the example of international and global leadership that Taiwan has presented.
我认为台湾在领导能力上是展现了一个非常好的模范，而中国也应该可以向台湾所展现的领导能力学习。
I first want to commend Taiwan for its contribution of $1 million to the efforts to combat the outbreak of Ebola in Africa. This is a very significant health concern, and it shows the leadership that Taiwan is not only prepared to deliver, but is in fact carrying out.
那么，首先我想在这边表达感谢，台湾对于世界卫生组织要捐款100万美元对抗非洲的这个伊波拉病毒。我认为伊波拉病毒这是一项非常重要的议题，而且展现出台湾的领导者不仅是只是嘴巴上说，其实也有采取实际的行动来援助其他的国家。
The success and security of Taiwan is in the great interest of the United States.
那么台湾的成功、繁荣以及安全。其实对美国来说是一个重要的议题。
That's why I'm honored to continue my support for our great relationship, our strong relationship and support of our Taiwan Relations Act, the 6 assurances, the agreements that we have entered into on arms sales, and will hopefully further those routine arms sales, as well as other opportunities to enter into great economic opportunities together.
那么这也是为什么我会持续的支持台美关系，不管是台湾关系法、美国对台的6项保证，或者是我们在美国对台军售所达成的各种协议。我希望美国对台的军售能够常态化，那我们也会持续的不断寻找其他的机会，继续深化台美之间在各方面，像是经济方面的合作。
Taiwan's support in the U.S. Congress runs very deep, and it is a viewpoint held by every member of Congress and the Senate, regardless of their party.
那么，台湾的美国国会对于台湾的支持是跨党派的。
And so we have been honored to introduce the Taiwan International Participation Act, which the United States will use our voice and vote personally with Chinese leadership, but around the globe and organizations to push Taiwan's participation and to make sure that this leadership example is included in areas like the World Health Assembly, the World Health Organization, and to make sure that we use our efforts and votes in these organizations to push for such participation.
那么也因此我非常荣幸能够提出2008年台湾参与国际组织的这项法案，我们会确保美国使用美国的这个话语权以及投票权，继续的支持台湾的国际参与，不管是直接对于中国提出来，或者是在各种国际组织推广台湾的参与，我们会确保台湾所展现出来的这种领导能力能够在各个组织都能够体现出来，并且我们会尽全力的帮助台湾提高台湾的国际参与。
With the passage of the Taiwan Travel Act, our new expansion of the American Institute to Taiwan, our opportunities to work together will only grow.
那么，随着台旅法的通过以及 AIT 新馆的开幕，我想台美之间合作的机会只会增加。
And finally, the Asia Reassurance Initiative that we have introduced, a bipartisan bill, I think really highlights the role of leadership that the United States and Taiwan can provide together, building a long-standing Pacific, free and open Pacific partnership.
那么最后，我想提到我提出的这个亚洲再保证倡议法案呢，是一个跨党派的法案，并且也强调了台美之间合作领导能力所能够对于这个亚太地区建构一个安全以及自由开放的亚太地区的这个贡献。
Thank you.
谢谢。